Okay, today we're going to compare a couple of MicroGard oil filters that I got from O'Reilly Auto Parts. The MicroGard on the left costs $6.49 and the MicroGard Select on the right costs $9.99. Today we'll compare these two oil filters and find out why the MicroGard Select costs $3.50 more than this MicroGard. So let's get started.
This is up for you gotta glue the silicone, get nice and tight, get your inner here, filtration everywhere here.
Okay, we'll start with the MicroGard, and we'll start with the box here. But the only problem with this box is it isn't accurate. This filter isn't made this way. For one, it doesn't have holes. It has louvers. I doubt it has a coil spring. It doesn't have this bypass valve. So this box, looking at this is kind of useless. The only thing it does say is, see product for country of origin. So let's open up, see what it looks like. Date code 020222. Pretty easy. This is a sticker. And right here, made in Mexico. 6 inlet holes. See the metal core with louvers. And I think that's a bypass valve down below. Nitro rubber gasket. Pretty thick. It's on there good too. Yeah, that's a nice amount of threads. There's like about 4 there. Okay, so let's look at the MicroGard Select, and we'll start with the box. Probably does have a silicone drain back valve and a silicone gasket. It does have a synthetic filter media, and it is 99%. And that's at 25 microns. And this filter here is rated for 10,000 miles, whereas the regular MicroGard, it says it's rated for traditional oil changes 3,000 to 5,000 miles. Okay, the date code here, 21 MLA268748. This is also a sticker. And this one doesn't say where it's made, so if we look on the box, it does. Right here. Made in Vietnam. And it has this plastic covering over it. And you can tell this is looks like a silicone gasket, which is on here really good. So I'm going to leave it for now. I'll take it off later. We'll compare them. That looks like a silicone drain back valve. And this one's got a metal core with holes. See, you can see the bypass valve down below. This also has a lot of threads, a lot of grooves here. And 8 inlet holes. Both the same size. But them base plates are totally different. They're different inside too. I say we cut these filters open and see what's inside. Be right back. Okay, here they are cut open. Let's get their weights. The MicroGard Select weighs 318.9 grams. The MicroGard, regular MicroGard, and we're just going to call it regular MicroGard from now on, weighs 259.1 grams. Okay, the MicroGard Select, get the base plate, 126.1 grams. And 109.3 grams for the regular MicroGard. And let's look at these guys up close. Definitely the inlet holes are bigger on the regular MicroGard. The threads are about the same amount of threads. The MicroGard Select looks cleaner. It's got a better paint job too. Look at the paint chipping. Paint chipping when I was cutting it open from this regular MicroGard. Lousy paint job. But both base plates are pretty good. And look at these guys, the gaskets. I give the gasket to the MicroGard Select. The one on the right, silicone. It's a little bit thicker. Okay, and the anti-drain back valves, got silicone for the MicroGard Select, and for the regular MicroGard you got nitro rubber. Let's see how they fit. That fits nice. And the silicone here, that fits nicely also. Yeah, no problem there. Let's see the filter elements. The Select weighs 87.2 grams. The regular MicroGard weighs 66.2 grams. Take a look at these guys. You can see the Select here on my right is a little bit taller. And also, this one here has one of these on there. So it goes like this. Kind of like a wasted space there. I believe this had a bypass valve right here at the base end. And what's strange with this filter also, this MicroGard, is no bypass valve. I thought it was down here, but no bypass valve. Okay. Well, let's go to the MicroGard Select. Take a look at this filter. This filter has a micron rating of 99% at 25 microns. And it's a synthetic filter media. And I counted 55 pleats. Got a metal crimp seam. Yeah, the pleats are nicely spaced. Metal end caps. Bypass valve down here. You can see the holes in there. Yeah, this filter looks nice and clean. And let's take a look at the regular MicroGard. You got a metal crimp seam here with a big gap. This filter only has 43 pleats. It has 12 less pleats. Pretty deep though. They're deep pleats, so I don't know. The filter media might be about as long. But this has a micron rating of 95% at 29 microns. Cellulose, look at it, ripped on me. Cellulose filter media. Yeah, it just ripped right there. Yeah, again, see, this can't really take too much punishment. This is a lousy filter. I wouldn't use this filter, though, but that's kind of, I don't like this filter at all. That ripped easy. Watch, try this one. See, it doesn't rip like that. Yeah. Okay, and these both have coil springs. I was kind of surprised. Got this one here. MicroGard Select on the right. I gotta bother weighing those. And the cans. Check out the cans. The MicroGard Select, 95.7 grams. The regular MicroGard, 65.5 grams. Quite a bit of difference. Let's get their measurements. I was getting 0.54 on this one. Yeah, it's right around there. 0.54. That's what I was getting before. You can tell it's a thicker can. It's thicker than this regular MicroGard. And this one I was getting 0.43. See that right there? 0.43, 0.42 millimeters. You can tell it's a thinner can. Now let's get the width of these filters. The MicroGard Select is a little bit wider. 3.22 inches wide. And the regular MicroGard is 2.81 inches wide. So what do you guys think? The pleats ain't as deep on this MicroGard Select. But Let's stretch them out. You got more pleats though here, so it could equal out. Well, I say we cut these two filter medias open and stretch them out and see how long they are. Be right back. Okay, so here they are stretched out, and the MicroGard is 49.5 inches long, and the MicroGard Select is 55 inches long. And let's get their thickness. And the MicroGard is 0.61 millimeters thick. And the MicroGard Select 0.85 millimeters thick. Get these guys up close. I can feel the difference on these guys. The MicroGard is thinner. You see that. Now let's take a look at these guys under a microscope. Okay, so as you can tell, the regular MicroGard doesn't look as good as the MicroGard Select. You got more filter media with the MicroGard Select, and it's a better filter media also. You have like 38 square inches more of the MicroGard Select. Let's look at the rest of the filter. So for $3.50 more, I think I would go with the MicroGard Select because it's almost better in every way compared to the MicroGard. I mean, you get your silicone anti-drain back valve, silicone gasket. The base plates are pretty much even. You got holes, louvers. I prefer holes, but that's a matter of preference. Both got coil springs, but you got more filter media with the MicroGard Select. And the can's actually thicker. It's kind of got this coating on it where it's, I think it's easier to take off after, you know, get a better grip on it. You got a thicker can. The only thing I can see is too bad it's not made here. What do you guys think about these two filters? Would you use them? Well, I think I'll wrap this video up. Don't forget, Oil Filter Friday. I open up a new automotive oil filter every Friday on this YouTube channel. So if you like this video, please hit that like button. Thanks for watching, and take care. The regular MicroGard filter media weighs 13 grams. The MicroGard Select filter media weighs 27.9 grams.